When it comes to TikTok Shop affiliate success, information is king. Meaning, if you're able to find the next trending product before they go viral, you can easily make tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in one single TikTok video. Let me show you this creator. So this guy right here brought in over $254,000 in revenue for these earphones. And so he's making about 10% commission on each sale. So in a 7-day period right here, he's brought in over $25,000, which is crazy. So in order to make good money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you need the right info at the right time. KALODATA is hands down the best tool for doing just that. It saves time by simplifying research, saves money by avoiding bad products, and helps you earn more by promoting winning ones. Let me show you how KALODATA works. On the KALODATA dashboard, and the first thing you're going to notice is this top section right here. Now, when you're doing affiliate marketing within the TikTok Shop affiliate program, the three most important things to pay attention to are the competitors list, which talks about which categories are selling well, the hot videos, which is telling you which videos are selling product like crazy right now, and the trending products, which discuss what products are making money right now. These are the most important things as an affiliate marketer through the TikTok Shop. And then we scroll down a little bit and we'll see the top products. This is always going to change week by week. And so for the current week right now, which is April 1st through the 7th, these are the top selling products. These are the top 5 selling products right here. And when you scroll down a little further, you'll notice the top creators. This will tell you right now who are the top creators for the week, their best selling products, and the revenue that they're generating. And then this will also tell you the top shops right now for the week and which shops those are and which of their best selling products are selling and how much those shops are making in revenue right now. And as we scroll down a little bit more, you can see the top videos as well that are doing well for this week. And then you can also see the top live streams as well, which are selling and creating a lot of revenue as well. And all of these categories are going to change week by week. But let's go ahead and take a look over at the product section. So here we are in the top product section right here. And so the first page is always going to show you the first top 10 products for that week that are selling the best. And so as you can see right here, we got something like the 15-day cleanse, which is selling like crazy right now. They've already sold over 67,000 items, generating them $1.2 million in revenue at an average price of 18 bucks per item. And these are the top videos right here that are bringing in all the sales. So we're going to go ahead and just check out this one. All right. So when you want to go ahead and take a look at the top selling product, this is the information that's going to show you. It'll basically tell you kind of the price range that it's selling for, because in the TikTok Shop, prices do vary. They like to do a lot of discounts and sales and things like that. So it's selling at an average of $18 per bottle of whatever this gut support thing is. But the most important part right here are these core metrics on a product. This is how much revenue that they brought in, which is $1.2 million. They've sold over 67,000 bottles of whatever this is at an average of $18 per sale. And so it'll also show you for each one of these products, the top creators for these products right here. And so here we have a top list of 10 right here. These creators are bringing in all the money for this 15-day cleanse. And so this top creator right here has brought in, based off of one video, $80,000 in revenue, leading to his video doing just that. And if we average out the commissions per, the average commission per product in the TikTok Shop is about 10%. Sometimes can be about 15%. But let's go over with just the 10% mark. This creator right here has brought in $8,000 just for the week off of one video, which is pretty good money. And, and if we go down the list of these top 10 creators, this one has brought in maybe about $6,800 for themselves. I don't know what's with this one right here, why this one says 0. Okay, it's because they do live streaming. That's why. So they brought in about 6,200. So all of their income is coming from doing live streams, and the list goes on and on. And so if you if you're interested in a product, you can take a look at the product itself, see how popular it is, and then you can also look at the top creators. So let's take a look at this guy real quick. All right, so this is his profile, and when you look at the creators, you'll see they'll have a link to their video right here. This is the video that brought in all those sales. It'll tell you when it was published and the duration of the video. This one was about a minute and 22 seconds. And then we look at his core metrics right here. He's gotten over 1.9 million views on that video and has sold over 3,600 items with that video itself, bringing in $64,000 in revenue. And like we said, if we're going to go off of a 10% commission rate, then he's earned over $6,400 just for the week of April 1st through the 7th. And then when we scroll down here at the bottom, you can also see similar videos as well. And they'll also tell you how many views these videos have had and how much revenue that they've brought in as well. And basically, when you see any of these creators' videos and the revenue, you can average out the commission to be about 10%. And that'll just tell you how much commission that they earn from just one video alone. And so it's not just one creator that's making a ton of money promoting this product. There are a lot of other creators also making a lot of money as well. So let's come back out here over to this screen right here. So if you take a look on the left side, you'll see a bunch of filters. So you can easily filter out these stores, these products and things like that. So if you want to do a different category, right now we're in the phones and electronics category, but you can clear this out and then we'll hit the submit button and then it'll kind of broaden out what's going on for that week. But you could then narrow it down. So say, for example, say we're going to go ahead and do fashion accessories, and we'll do clothes accessories. So we'll just click that and we'll just hit apply, and then we'll hit the submit button, and then we'll see what is selling when it comes to clothing accessories. Now, obviously, clothing accessories isn't the most popular thing to sell on TikTok, but there's still money to be made in it. And it'll break everything down to you right here on the side. So you can take a look at the video that's bringing in the most revenue for this specific product, how much of it sold, the revenue that's brought in, and it'll show you a trending graph as well, just for that week on the popularity. So there's a lot of information that you can get just from this platform right here. So we can also go back over here to the sidebar and we can take a look at the revenue filter. So we can click on that. And if you wanted to search for product within a certain price range, you can do that as well. You can put a minimum and a maximum price range for this as well. If you just wanted to stick within products that, cost a certain amount of money or bring in a certain amount of money. So there's a lot of filters out here that you can really play with to fine tune your search. So what I wanted to do real quick was to come back over to one of these creators' pages and let's actually take a dive into their video so you can kind of see what it is about their video that earned them all this revenue. So we'll go ahead and click on this video right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and mute this. And so they'll show you the video right here. And then you'll have the ability to actually download the video without watermark if you wanted to, or you can even export the script. So let's take a look at that. And so here we go. Say, for example, you want to go ahead and also promote these earphones as well, and you wanted to take some inspiration from this guy's video. This is his script right here for what it is that he said. And obviously you can copy this, change it around, give it a twist, make it your own because you don't want to plagiarize, obviously. Or you can have AI optimize the script for you. So we'll click on that. And if you want, you can have them optimize it to make the script more passionate, make the script shorter, or emphasize the selling points. So we'll go ahead and just click one that we'll just say make the script more passionate. So we'll click on that one and then we'll see what happens. All right, and this is what AI spit out for us. They completely took the original script that this creator made and made the script more passionate. And this is something completely different than what he actually said. And you can go ahead and copy this. And this is a script that you can use to promote these same earphones as well in your video. So if you want to try a 7-day free trial of KALODATA, there is a link in the description below. And if you want to actually get an extra 10% off, if you decide to continue after the trial, you can use the promo code GARVY, which is also in the description as well, to take an extra 10% off of the price of KALODATA itself. Other than that, I'm Mike, and I'll see you in the next video.